Hi and welcome to 88 Guru. आज की वीडियो में हम बताएंगे how to use the app. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. सबसे पहले click on the learn button. Select a subject. Let's try math. यहाँ पे आपको वो सारे topics दिखेंगे that you need for this year. Not that good at whole numbers and want to revise it? Go ahead and click on that. Or if you want to get ahead of your class and go forward, scroll down and try some geometry. हर लेसन में आप देखेंगे a 3-step process. Step number 1, select the lesson and play the video. इस वीडियो में टीचर explains the topic. Step number 2, do your assessment. ये एक क्विज है for you to practice जो आपने अभी तक लर्न किया है. Step number 3, go through the review video जिसमें टीचर explains the quiz so you can make sure you completely understand. अभी आपको एक्स्ट्रा प्रैक्टिस करनी है या you want to prepare for a test? Go straight to the practice section to challenge yourself. First, select a topic. Then, choose your difficulty level. If you are confident, try level 3. Now, select the number of questions and click proceed. Finish the worksheet and get your score immediately. We recommend at least one lesson per week per subject. समझे गुरु? Best पढ़ाई शुरू.